Good morning student. I Kinnari Dave welcomes you all for standard 11 chapter 2 structure of atom. This is the last topic of our chemistry unit 2 student, and this topic is about the electronic configuration and causes of stability of completely filled and half filled subcell. So we'll start our topic as we have studied Aufbau principle, for electronic configuration, Aufbau principle. Then the next we have studied Pauli's exclusion principle. According to the Aufbau principle, student, as you know, the order in which the energies of the orbital increase, that orbitals are filled. So that order is 1s, then the electron goes to the 2s, it is an increasing order, then electron goes to 2p, then 3s, 3p, then 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, and so on, student. This is the Aufbau principle. This principle states in the ground state of the atom, the orbitals are filled in order to their increasing energy. And the Pauli's exclusion principle says no two electron in an atom can have the same set of all four quantum number. So here the Pauli's exclusion principle said no two electrons in an atom can have same set of all four quantum numbers. Means चारों चार क्वांटम नंबर्स कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन एटम के इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है कि वो सेम हो. All four quantum numbers. Then the next principle we have studied, that is a Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. The next one is a Hund's rule. Hund's rule states that does not take the electron in the orbital belong to the same subcell. Electron in the orbital belong to the same subcell does not take place. Same subcell, what is the meaning of, students? Same subcell, as we know that P, D and F, because S is not having the other subcell. So subcell means we have to consider here P, D and F subcell. So it does not take place until it has the got one electron each, until it is single occupied. It is single occupied. Means here you know that the P is having the 3 suborbital subcells. So p subcell के लिए px, py and pz. यहाँ पर pairing possible नहीं है until and unless all the 3 subcell p suborbitals are filled. That is the meaning of this statement. So now we'll go with the electronic configuration of atom. So what is the known as electronic configuration, student? Electronic configuration. According to above rule, we are going to study about the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is the distribution of electron. What is it known as? The distribution of electron an atom we can represent this electronic configuration in the two different ways. Suppose we can write it as suppose S, example Sx, उसी तरह से फॉर पी वाई, ऐसे नोटेशन से हम उसको डिनोट कर सकते हैं. एंड another, for this is orbital diagram. So for this S we can write S as a orbital diagram. The same way for this P, this is orbital diagram. Then the same way D, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is an orbital diagram. This two way we can write the electronic configuration. Now student, will just take the example of electronic configuration and then we'll further move to the our today's topic, that is the causes of stability of completely filled and half filled orbital. अब सबसे पहले ये जो रूल जो था उसको हम अपने आँखों के सामने रखेंगे, नज़र रखेंगे उसके ऊपर और फिर आगे हम पढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं. Simply we'll start with the hydrogen only. We'll start with the hydrogen. What is the atomic number of hydrogen, student? As you know, the Z for hydrogen is 1. So here you are showing the electronic configuration as first of all electron always go in the 1s orbit, which is a very lower energy level. So the hydrogen is having only one electron. So for the two notation, the first notation S raised to x means here the 1 is the principal quantum number and S you have only one electron, so 1s1. This is the notation. In such a manner you can write. Or for the orbital diagram you can write this is your S orbital and you are showing only one upside spin for the electron. This is for hydrogen. Second, we'll just go with the helium. As you know, the Z of helium is 2. So here, as you know, all the orbitals are maximum capacity to accommodate 2 electron. So here in this 1s, energy level is 1 because 1s can accommodate 2 electrons. So 1s and the maximum electron are 2. So this way 1s2 you can write, or simply by orbital diagram, this is the upside arrow and this is the downside arrow. This is 1s2, which way you can show. Now we'll go little okay, we'll go with the nitrogen, student. Nitrogen is having the 7 atomic number, means here you have to accommodate total number of 7 electron. So as you know, the energy level 1s, then 2s, and then 2p. So you can write as maximum electron in 1s is 2, same way in 2s is also 2. Now out of 7 electron, you have utilized the 4 electrons, you have accommodated 4 electron. Now 3 electrons are remaining. Now here you have a 2p orbitals, and as you know, the 2p is having, means p orbital is having 3 suborbitals. So in 2p you can accommodate all the 3 electrons. So this is the notation way, and you can show this in such a manner. This is 1s2, this is 2s2, and here student, as per the Hund's rule, here you have to show that all the 3 electrons are accommodated in the px, py and pz. If you are going to write, suppose this way, then this configuration notation orbital is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because that is only I am explaining you the stability of a half filled. This is known as half filled. It is half filled. So the stability of half filled orbital is more than this incomplete filled. This is incomplete. Next example we'll take, so you get a very clear idea. Now we'll take the fluorine. As you know, the atomic number of fluorine is 9. So here you have to accommodate 9 electron as per this Aufbau's principle. So first of all we are writing 1s 2 electron, 2s 2 electron. Now out of 9 you have utilized the 4 electron, 5 electron are remaining. So in the p orbital, maximum capacity of the electron is 6. So out of that you can fill 5 electron. Now this 5 electron is shown like this. So here first of all the px, py and pz 3 electron, then the pairing starts and this way. So here you can write pz1, px2 and py2. pz के अंदर पैरिंग पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो अगर हम ये दोनों के लिए बात करते हैं, ग्रुप हमारे पास में नाइट्रोजन जो है वो, और उसके पहले का जो ग्रुप है हमारे पास में, उसके बाद में जो है वो ऑक्सीजन, और उसके पहले का जो ग्रुप है वो है कार्बन. तो नाइट्रोजन के पहले कार्बन आता है और नाइट्रोजन के बाद में ऑक्सीजन आता है. तो उसके लिए बात करें तो नाइट्रोजन वाला जो ग्रुप के एलिमेंट है, दे आर मोर स्टेबल देन द ऑक्सीजन. व्हाई इट इज so? Here we'll take the oxygen example also. As you know, the oxygen is having, no, we'll take the carbon example only student. तो उसमें completely filled नहीं है तो आपको पता चलेगा. 6 electron are there, so 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. So this 2p2 this is your vacant orbital. So student जब excited state में होगा तो ये आपका जो 2s2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ये 2s ऑर्बिटल है, वो यहाँ से pz के अंदर जंप कर सकता है. From here it comes to pz. Now we'll take the example of like titanium. थोड़ा और आगे जाते हैं हम. Titanium Z is equal to 22. So here student Z is equal to 22, तो हम argon लिख के सीधा बता सकते हैं. This is also the another trick to write down the electronic configuration. Suppose for the carbon you want to write, then carbon के लिए आपके पास में है 1s2 के लिए है helium. So here for this 1s2, if you will not write, and you can write helium and then 2s2 and 2p2. Same way, suppose for the titanium we have a argon, which is having the atomic number 18. Noble gas for argon. So 18 electron already you have shown. Afterwards now you have to show the 4 electron. So here you can just write down, after 3p you have the 4s orbital and 3d orbital. So here 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 and 12 plus 6, 18. यहाँ तक में आपका आर्गोन का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ख़त्म हुआ है. अब आगे आपको जो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन डालने हैं वो इलेक्ट्रॉन आप यहाँ पर डाल सकते हो 3d and 4s के अंदर. So here you are going to write that 4s2. अब बाकी रहे 3d. सो 3d में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन अकोमोडेट कर सकते हो स्टूडेंट. अब यहाँ जो आपके पास में है 3d के अंदर 5 सब ऑर्बिटल्स है. सो ये एक्साइटेड स्टेट में यहाँ से 4s का जो 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो ट्रांसफ़र होके यहाँ चला जाएगा. अब एक और एग्जाम्पल लेके मैं आपको समझाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. सपोज विल टेक द क्रोमियम. आफ्टर टिटानियम विल टेक द क्रोमियम. सो द atomic number of chromium is 24. So same way you can write here argon means 18 electron, and after argon, as you know, this 4s2, 18 plus 2, 20 and 20 plus 4. So 3d4. Now student, here 3d is having the 4 electron. एक इलेक्ट्रॉन उसकी ऑर्बिटल को हाफ फिल्ड कंप्लीट होने में बाकी रहता है. तो हियर व्हाट हैपन्स, एज आई शोन यू फॉर द टिटानियम, हियर ऑल्सो this is your 4s. This 1 electron just go and shift to the 5th orbital of 3d. Now you can see this is the half filled orbital and this is more stable than 3d4 and 4s2 configuration. So for chromium we can write argon, then 3d5, 4s1, because here no any electron can come with that orbital, it is half filled. So this is attributed to that fact, half filled and completely filled electronic configuration have lower energy and so extra stability. Consequently the configuration D के लिए 5 है क्योंकि मैक्सिमम 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन आ सकते हैं, F के लिए 7 है क्योंकि F में मैक्सिमम 14 इलेक्ट्रॉन आ सकते हैं. सो D5 हाफ फिल्ड, F7 also half filled are more stable. They are more stable. So to acquire increased stability, ये stability increase करने के लिए the 4s electron goes into the 3d orbital and so the 3d orbital gets the half filled in chromium. and एक और एग्जाम्पल लेके समझते हैं हम, आगे और जाते हैं हम. क्रोमियम के बाद में अगर हम जाए थोड़ा सा और नीचे तो हम लेते हैं कॉपर. कॉपर ले रहे हैं स्टूडेंट. कॉपर इज विद द 29 atomic number. So here also you write down argon 18, then 4s2 20 and then 9 electron remain, तो 3d9. अब आप यहाँ देख सकते हो स्टूडेंट कि D के अंदर 9 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. सो 9 इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो ये कंप्लीटली फिल्ड होने में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन उसका रह जाता है. सो यहाँ पर भी क्या होगा, ये जो आपका 4s इलेक्ट्रॉन है सो वो यहाँ 4s1 होगा and this electron moves to this way. So here you have the 3d10. So this is your complete filled 3d orbital. So this one is more stable than 3d9. The half-filled and completely filled electronic configuration are also stable due to the large exchange of energy. Why it is more stable? Because exchange of energy. So student, now you understand how you have to write down the electronic configuration according to the all the principles which we have studied about the electronic configuration. Suppose if we will go with the gallium, then Z of gallium is equal to 31. So here you can write argon, that is 18, then 3d10 means 28, 28 plus 4s2, so this is 30, and then you have 31 means 4p के लिए only one electron can be accommodated. Hope so student. Is it clear to you? Now you just try to do the practice because these questions are generally asking in the competitive exam also and the board exam also. Thank you student. and हाँ student, मेरी चैनल को like and subscribe करना आपको भूलना नहीं है. So thank you so much student.